We integrate machine production and sales together. We have been in multifunctional packaging machine many years and are specialized in producing all kinds of powder packing machine, pre-made bag packaging machine, automatic weigher filling packaging machine, vertical packing machine. Our automatic vertical packing machine are widely used in foods industries like nuts, powder, snack, sugar sticks, potato chips, popcorn, snack, etc., as well as other industries such as daily chemicals and hardware accessories. As a professional multifunctional packaging machine supplier, we have excellent teams who focus on product development and design, quality control and inspection, and company running. In order to supply the best products and services, we have built a modern quality management system which is in strict accordance with international standards. We are famous for superior quality, competitive prices, first-class craft works, safe package, and prompt delivery. Therefore, we can fully satisfy your demands and have a large customer base. Our products sell well in North America, South America, Europe, Southeast Asia, Africa, etc. We provide OEM services and accept customized order as well. Our products are popular in overseas markets. We will supply much better products with diversified designs and professional services. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits. We are looking forward to receiving your inquiries.